Okay, we are at 204 West Aeroplane in Big Bear City, California. Gonna do a check on it. Here's a neighborhood, some nice cabin next door, nice wide streets. All right, let's go check it out. A lot of nice trees. Got a nice sized front yard. Looks like it's fully fenced. The fence between you and the neighbor's house is a newer vinyl fence, which is nice to have. There's the side of the property. I believe this is a 5,000 square foot lot. You got your hot tub. It's nice to have. Oh yeah, we are bubbling. Nice. That looks inviting. And then looks like we have a storage shed in the back over here. Can't really tell. Yeah, just storage. That gives you an idea though. It's a nice sized lot. You can always get rid of that gate on the fence and make it a wooden fence. Yeah, nice little place for entertaining. A lot of nice trees on the lot as well. All right, let's go inside and check it out. Okay, let's go inside of the property. Got a nice little porch here. Okay, here we go. As we enter into the living area, and we got a nice fireplace, brick fireplace, really deep in there too, so that's awesome. Of course, I got my partner in crime, Juliet. Say hi, Juliet. Juliet, say hi.
Something is really annoying.
Okay, hold on. We got your kitchen. Nice sized kitchen. It's inviting. Nice counters, cabinets, appliances. Got your laundry area. Convenient place for a dartboard. Yeah, don't hit the water heater or the gas line right, or the, yeah, that's interesting. That can always be moved. And then your door to go outside, side yard. And then we come into one of the bedrooms here. The bedrooms are a pretty nice size, I gotta say. It's pretty big. Got a couch in here and a bed. And a bathroom. Nice flooring, nicely done. Not really anything you have to do to that, so that's good. Carpet seems like it's in good shape. That can always be switched out to wood floors if you want. Then there's the other bedroom. Nice size as well. It's big. You got the wood features. So you got a closet over there and a wall heater. Keep your roasted toasty in here. So yeah, I mean, it's a cool place. It's in a good location and it's in your price range. So I will upload the video and send it your way.